What's the first thing that comes to your mind when a buddy asks you, hey, you want to get wrecked? Obviously playing Rekt Crash Test, that's a no-brainer. Pick a car, there's literally so many of them, including secret ones that you can earn, and then start drifting, jumping, comboing all over your friends or enemies or the global leaderboard. Rekt also reminds me of that one level from Spyro the Dragon where you get to trick around in a skate park, except much more amped up. And not to pull back the curtain here or anything, but between you and me, when I first heard about Rekt, their trailer videos alone made me purchase. Those creators really know how to promote the high-octane part of the game. Back to what I was saying. You know what this game doesn't remind me of, though? A game that has online multiplayer. Because it doesn't have online multiplayer. Unless you use us. Step 1. Drift to Parsec.app and give us an install. Step 2. Open up your copy of Rekt Crash Test. Step 3. On the Parsec application, head over to the Arcade tab and choose to host Rekt Crash Test. Make the session public or private and send the link to whoever you want to play with. Once connected, everyone will start seeing the same screen at the same time as if you are all at the same place together. So plug in your controllers and get wrecked cooperatively.